Yeah. You're traveling or what?
Yes, sir. I'm traveling from Cotton to my home.
Now, Sandra is 11th class student.
No, sir. I passed 12th. I'm waiting for my results.
Where did you study?
I study in Little Club in Kollamula.
Okay. Subjects?
Science, maths, physics, chemistry, biology.
Maths, physics, chemistry, biology. So what is your plan? What do you want to do?
I don't know what. I was planning to go for psychology, but now I'm coming to study something abroad, and I'm so confused about which course.
Okay, better forget about what you want to study. Let us decide which vehicle we have to take. Depends on where you want to go. What Sandra want to be in your life. I don't do patchwork. I do a full look at what is Sandra's interest, what is your background, what are your parents doing, so that I know, oh, this is what Sandra, how much you want to spend or your parents want to spend for your bachelor's.
They're ready to spend everything. That's my wish for what to study, and they're ready to spend everything for me.
Okay, where do you want to settle? In a good country? You want to have a citizenship there? You want to study and come back? Or you want to settle there? Or okay. So you like to have a permanent residency, or you want to have temporary so that you can keep Indian passport and then keep traveling quite often?
I want PR, sir.
Then no question. You must go to Canada.
Okay, sir.
See, you understood what I'm asking, right?
Yes, sir.
See, if you want to study and come back, America is a beautiful place. But even if you stay 20 years, 30 years in America, no guarantee you will get a citizenship.
Okay, sir.
No green card also guaranteed. Okay. But if you go to Canada, maybe 5 years, Sandra can sponsor me also. You understood? And
yes, sir, I understand.
Expenditure wise, Canada is maybe 3 times cheaper than America.
Okay, sir.
Because there are a lot of colleges, lot of Indians, you can part-time do start job, getting admission is easy. Lot of college means getting admission is easy.
Okay, sir.
America admission is tough, very costly, no guarantee. But then you are a Canadian citizen, anytime you can travel to America.
Okay, sir.
That's a shake hand between. It's only Niagara Falls. Just cross the Niagara Fall, there is a American ceiling stamp and Canadian stamp. Both are there.
Okay, sir.
So many people who are working in America will take Canadian citizen, go there, take a stamp of visa, then come back to America and then do work and then go back. It's like going from Kottayam to Tiruvalla.
Okay, sir.
Understood. But Canada, not most of the places are not good weather.
Okay, sir.
Most of them are too chill, cold. Got it?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
But they take care of you perfectly well. Health is good. They want people to be in Canada because most of the places are vacant. 1986, I had an invitation to Canada. I didn't go. Okay. And I have people in Canada, my friends. Yesterday also spoke to him. 2 MBA, but he is driving. Because taxi driver's salary is more than a manager's salary there.
Yes, sir.
So any job you do, you can make money.
Okay, sir.
You can start your own company, you can start your own activities. Licensing is easy. America, very strict. You cannot do all that.
Okay, sir.
Passing Canadian is easier. You will have to have minimum 20 lakhs to 40 lakhs. Depends on which college you are opting, how much fellowship you will get. This year, if you do, probably some of the colleges don't open on campus. You can still do it offline.
Okay, sir.
Fees is less, so accommodation and food expenditure you will save.
Okay.
I know
So,
children.
I have a question. I was also looking for Canada and the UK too.
Yeah.
My cousins are there.
Yeah.
So, can you tell something about UK?
Cousins in UK.
Yeah, I have my 3 cousins are there, and they're settled with their families. So, I asked them about UK main courses and all. So, I don't have anybody in Canada, so I'm preferring UK. So, can you tell something about UK?
Because you said you want citizenship and residential, I told them Canada. UK,
Okay, sir.
unless you get an accommodation, unless you get married somebody there, lot of scope is there. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, earlier people went, most of them got citizenship and they could continue there. But today UK is full of Chinese students.
Okay, sir.
Any 5,000 students, 3,500 will be Chinese, rest is the whole world. So a lot of people are there. UK 1 year program, maybe Canadian 1.5. So 2.5 years in UK is 3 years in Canada. So they finish very fast. There are best universities. Otherwise, you can even join earlier. All the engineering programs were never called BSc, BTech.
Okay,
They're
sir.
all called diploma. I was there in one of the diploma program where UK done Nottingham.
Okay, sir.
That is engineering college, MBA and all they give, but that is still a polytechnic. Name is polytechnic. In India, polytechnic means diploma. In America, in UK, polytechnic also can be equivalent to degree courses.
Okay, sir.
My 2 sons, both of them studied masters in UK only.
Okay, sir.
So it is not that costly as America, but not as cheap as Canada. It is somewhere in between.
Yes, sir.
So you have some 20 lakhs, I'm sure. Accommodation, stay, everything. My niece is a postdoctorate in Canada, UK now.
Okay, sir.
So from there, all the European countries earlier permission was given, now less. I've got a lot of my friends who have done programs there. English, normally IELTS, TOEFL.
Okay, sir.
So Sandra should start writing it. If you are not doing coaching program,
Yes, sir. I'm doing it, sir. I'm taking coaching.
where are you doing?
It's ending in 12th of this month. My coaching ends.
Where are you doing?
I took a course.
Where are you doing?
I'm doing in Santa Monica. Through Santa Monica, I'm taking coaching, sir.
So online.
Online.
Okay. So what you can do is there are a lot of online tests available. Keep on writing.
Okay, sir.
Except for Canada IP, I think English proficiency, some test is there. Otherwise, TOEFL or IELTS will do. IELTS is more standardized. When I was a student, IELTS was not there, only TOEFL.
Okay, sir.
And assume you wanted to go to not in UK but somewhere close to Europe. Some places the education is free. Masters is totally free. But UK is little crowded. Near to UK there are small places. Milton Keynes, Nottingham. These are all different universities, like Open University. The name is Open University, but it's not like Indian Open University. They also have campus program only.
Okay, sir.
So what you should do is apply in 10-15 universities.
Okay.
But what course you want, where do you want? If you want masala dosha, you must go to Annapurna. If you want parota, chicken, you cannot go to Annapurna, right?
Yes, sir.
Therefore, you should know where are you going, what for you are going. So your interest to understand, because you told electronics.
Yes, sir.
Do you know what is electronics? How much knowledge you have?
I really want to go for psychology, something related to
Beta, I suggest you, Sandra, you are +2 with maths, physics, chemistry, biology.
Yes, sir.
In your life, what you can study today, you can only study now.
Yes, sir.
I am a mathematician, I am a physics man.
Yes, sir.
I have studied psychology just like this, and I have an MS in psychotherapy.
Mm.
But if I would have done a BA psychology in my life, I will never learn any other subject.
Okay, sir.
So what you can do today is a bigger role. Don't go into smaller roles.
Okay, sir.
And just because I love to understand people, I love to understand behavior, I am passionate about learning, that need not lead to a degree for you.
Okay, sir.
Unless you wanted to do a MBBS and then go to psychiatry.
Okay,
You
sir.
are a biology student.
Yes, sir.
So you can do MBBS and then go for psychiatry. Psychiatry is entirely different from BA psychology.
Okay, sir.
BA psychology is only general awareness. You cannot even treat anybody.
Okay, sir.
You cannot give medicines. Give medicine, you have to be a doctor first. Anywhere in the world. So you could take life science, clinical, medical science in UK.
Okay.
America also will give you lot of such programs.
Okay, sir.
You can also become a psychology researcher, psychiatry researcher with biological science added to that.
Okay, sir.
In India, when somebody learns psychology, they don't learn biochemistry. Biochemistry is the way your food affects your thoughts.
Okay, sir.
I don't think any BA psychology student will learn.
Okay, sir.
Pharmacology, how the medicine affects the health and how it determines your thoughts.
Okay, sir.
All these are part of psychology only when you do through medical, biological science.
Okay, sir.
So don't get into any such subjects which is not a continuation of what Sandra can do with your brilliance today.
Okay, sir.
Now assume you want to put technology and biology together, you have biotech, medical related technology, therefore electronics also there.
Okay,
The
sir.
other day I had a discussion, I don't know you were there, biotechnology, biomedical engineering, biochemistry and all that. That is
I
that is
asked my uncle about the courses in UK. Then he told first about BDS, and I think doing BDS in UK is somewhat very hard because we have to study 4 years health science and then we have to do BDS. So I was a little bit confused about that. So he then suggested electronics engineering, and I asked him about that. I don't know about.
Okay.
I don't know anything about electronics, so I asked their opinion of
See,
you.
what you have studied in physics, you have studied resistance, capacitor, all such things, no?
Yes, sir.
The specialization of that is electronics.
Okay,
But
sir.
that if you have a medical interest plus electronics interest, then the best thing could be look at biomedical engineering,
Okay, sir.
where you use lot of equipments to understand even psychology.
Okay, sir.
Electroencephalograph, how the brain is functioning.
Okay, sir.
Like ECG will give you a pulse. The pulse meter will tell you the things. Your temperature is measured through electronics.
Okay,
So
sir.
always you can go for different branches where technology can be added, because you have maths, because you have biology together. If you know interest in physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, if all the 4 subjects you like, that is the best thing.
Okay, sir.
There are a lot of colleges everywhere.
Yes, sir.
One of the best 2 colleges in London is King's College and Imperial College. Imperial is kingship. King is also kingship. Both of them, you will see thousands of students there. I've gone to the campus, I've had my breakfast there, lunch there. It's a different life, you will enjoy.
Okay, sir.
But if you are too studious, you have a lot of options to study. If you are not studious, you want to waste your time there and then enjoy, in 2 years they will pack you off.
Okay, sir.
So you have to do lot of research to understand what is your interest, because admissions and fellowships depends on what you can write as SOP, statement of purpose.
Okay, sir.
They will not take your marks as the basic qualification to enter. Marks,
Okay.
degree, your English proficiency, and some technical knowledge plus SOP, statement of purpose. Why are you studying there? Why do you want to study there? So whenever you apply for some specific course, you must make it in that fashion. Something else, you must make it into that fashion.
Okay, sir.
So you have to go through lot of applications, then put them into sequence and understand what you want to do. Assume you have no idea about some subjects like electronics, you don't know. Maybe some subjects you don't know. There are a lot of online programs available,
Okay, sir.
like edX, Coursera, such programs. You can look at certificate programs and that subject and then apply.
Okay.
Whether you finish or not, whether you get certificate or not, doesn't matter. But if you complete, you will get a certificate. Such a lot of completed certifications will help you to get admission, get a priority, even to get a fellowship.
Okay, sir.
Not fellowships are given for everybody. 25%, 40% some institutions may give, depends on your merit and ability. The way you write your SOP, they will cast. Depends on each college.
Okay, sir.
So best is to do some homework. You could come back to me with very specific questions also. Some subjects you don't understand. What is it? Now you are in a confused state. You don't know what to do. That is why you are saying psychology, electronics, everything, right? So first decide. Don't have to decide. Oh, I want to go to UK. I want to go to Canada. I want to go to US. You keep applying in different places. Understanding the skill there. In America and all, if you want to go to medical, if you want to biology, there is a specific test. SAT. Then, but most of the people who are in UK, they don't settle in UK. Because the salary is much less than, life is much worse than the places like Australia. So most of the people after graduation, post-graduation, they jump into Australia. Another good option, if you have some relatives or friends or you wanted to, with that guarantee only you will go, Australia is also a good place. It is little better than Canada in environment wise. And Indian community, you will, there are a lot of small agents also around the Kottayam. They will help you to get into colleges where there are already some students. They also have some colleges, but all that should be taken with no intention to come back and settle in India. Because once you go there, your graduation is not in India. As far as India is concerned, your graduation is not valid. But for private companies, probably yes, but not in any Indian governments and all. Anyway, that doesn't matter for you. Okay. One thing which you have to make sure, what are the requirements the university is asking for, and see where do you fit in. So keep on looking at different universities, and then you can send me messages to see if you want some inputs. Probably I could do that.
Something about my university's class, sir.